Oh, mag-isa lang ako sa kwarto ngayon. Ay, mag-isa lang ako guys, oh. Holy. Mag-isa lang tayo sa kwarto. Yo, Dax Sabito nga pala. Welcome back to the channel. And today, manonood tayo ng top 10 compilation from Nook's Top 5 na pinamagatang
10 scary videos to cry yourself to sleep.
buti lang di tayo iyakin at di pa gabi, kaya hindi pa tayo matutulog. So huwag na tayong tumpik-tumpik pa. Ay, holy, let's do this.
Urban explorers from the YouTube channel Urbex Castronautica visit the historic La Plata Cemetery in Buenos Aires, Argentina. The cemetery was built in 1886 and is the final resting place of many notable figures. But while wandering through the huge cemetery's 12,000 tombs and vaults, the guys stumble upon a crypt that has been vandalized. Their camera captures something downright chilling.
Huwag naman sa mga basement, bro.
Están re abandonados, boludo.
Wala, tapos puta guys. Holy. No, sisilip bro. Walang sisilip dyan bro.
Mira lo que es esto.
Shit, bro.
Did you see it?
Oh,
No?
makita ba?
Well, neither did the guys who filmed it.
No.
You see, after posting this video to YouTube, their sharp-eyed viewers were freaked out when they noticed a creepy little pale hand pulling back into an open coffin. Now, it happened so quick that it's hard to see without brightening the footage and analyzing it frame by frame.
Bro.
But when the footage is converted to a negative image, the spooky little hand is a bit easier to see. Now, it's very unlikely that anyone could have crawled into that coffin to fake this. This crypt is very old and unstable.
CG ba to? Ba CG lang to bro? Bro, parang di siya CG bro. Inawan ko pa nga. 1080p natin. Sagad natin takutan.
This crypt is very old and unstable, and it would be very dangerous for someone to just climb inside. So did this group of urban explorers accidentally capture proof of the paranormal? Well, as usual, you decide. You can watch this entire video over on the YouTube channel, Urbex Castronautica.
Kalo biglang may lalabas eh.
Trapped. In this next video, a man is taking a short video of a car that he's planning to sell. The vehicle belonged to his sister, who tragically passed away right inside the car over a year and a half ago. After sending the footage to a potential buyer, he gets an alarming message saying,
Okay, nanonood ako nito guys. So, i-explain ko lang sa inyo. Nanonood ako ng mga horror compilations. Pero usually, pag nag-work ako, tas di ako nakatingin. So, silip-silip ka. Tas pag may lilitaw, tatakip ako or di ako tumitingin. Tapos rewind na lang para alam ko na yung mangyayari. Pero this time guys, makita lang sa inyo guys ha. Mag-isa lang ako dito guys. Yo. I know hindi pa gabi pero bro. So yun, mag-isa lang ako dito guys sa kwarto. Hindi ako nanonood ng mag-isa. I mean, hindi ako nanonood ng wala akong nararamdaman kasama sa kwarto, no? So yun, mag-isa lang ako guys. Ay. Pag ito di nakakuha ng 100,000 likes tsaka 1 million views, ewan ko na lang guys. Malay nyo, diba? GGG, rewind natin ng konti ah. God damn it, sabi sa inyo eh.
Trapped. In this next video, a man is taking a short video of a car that he's planning to sell. The vehicle belonged to his sister, who tragically passed away right inside the car over a year and a half ago. After sending the footage to a potential buyer, he gets an alarming message saying he should really check the video closer.
Hey man, here's my sister's car. Just wanted to make this video so you can have a look at it. She still runs good. She's a little dirty. She has a lot of miles on her. But it can clean up nice.
Bro.
Here's the front.
Bro, umiyak.
A little back. There's some of the back. But
Pasisilit, bro.
if you're interested, just let me know what you think.
Throughout the footage, the faint sound of a woman crying can be heard. The video was shared online by These Dark Adventures and quickly gained nearly 500,000 views. In the video comments, many concerned viewers believe that the voice belongs to the spirit of the man's sister who passed away inside the car, and that her soul is still trapped, unable to move on.
Damn, bro.
Motorcycle mystery.
Lungkot nun,
In the
bro.
city of Cagayan de Oro in the Philippines, a motorcycle
Yo, shout
rider
out.
is driving down a
Bro.
busy road that is notorious for
Bro, Cagayan. Shoutout Cagayan de Oro, Philippines, oh. Shoutout ang Pinas, oh. Sucha.
being the site of many fatal accidents. He is about to experience something that is truly bizarre.
Gago. Oh, what? God. Holy shit, bro. Shit, bro. Ay, ayoko nanonood mag-isa eh. Ay, ayoko nanonood mag-isa. Holy shit. Nasa top ano pa lang tayo? Top 3 pa lang to, boy. Top 3 ano? Top 8. Oh, kawawa yun kung tao yun. Pero kawawa ako kung hindi tao yun. Putyang galamulto yun, bro. Ito na. Ulitin pa. Kasti. Okay na. Tuloy-tuloy lang pala.
Someone
Damn,
appears to
bro.
jump right into the motorcycle's path, but when the rider looks back, there's no one there.
Bro.
But it gets even weirder, because the motorcycle rider claims that whoever this was, they didn't appear to have a face, only a strange dark blur.
Yahay.
Now, many locals believe that the rider saw the ghost of someone who passed away on the dangerous road.
Sheesh.
But if this wasn't anything supernatural,
Sheesh.
then just what happened here? Let me know what you think.
Bro.
Know what you think.
What the
Open
heck,
house.
bro?
Ready user
Open
slash
house.
realtor Sandra.
Nagawa ko sa buhay ko. Damn. Geng. Hirap mag-isa ka na tapos
Then just what happened here? Let me know what you think.
Sheesh.
Open house. Reddit user slash realtor Sandra is recording a tour of a 1960s bungalow-style home to show prospective buyers. Sandra's filming at night in order to showcase the house's interior lighting. But it's starting to get a bit late at the creepy little cottage, and things are about to get weird.
Wow, it's 10 p.m. and my day was fully booked with showings of this beautiful vintage 1962.
Parang gumagalaw yung picture dun sa ano. To. Ano to?
Wow, it's 10 p.m. and my day was fully booked with showings of this vintage 1963 bungalow.
Ang creepy nung nasa picture sa pada. Feeling ko gumagalaw talaga yung ulo mo. Tagal, bro. Shit, bro.
Go ahead, do it again. You're on camera.
Sabay, sumasabay. Bibili ba niyan, bro? Bibili ba dyan? Wow, wala yung sisilip dyan, bro.
Open this door.
Nino niya pala yun.
Go ahead, open this door.
Nakikita ako.
Open this door like you did the other one.
Mahina. Di sumusunod yung multo, mahina.
Come on, just move a glass or something.
Akala ko gumagalaw. Puso, kung ano na imagine ko. Gumagalaw ba yun? Ha? Bro, back natin. Gumagalaw ba
Come on,
to?
just move a glass or something.
Okay, putya, saksakan pala yun. Putya, kung ano na-imagine ko. Ready ko yung kamay ko sa pose. Ano pag ano, kaso wala akong pang shield.
Go ahead, do it again. Not scared.
Ikaw na, di takot. Ikaw na. Siya, malapit ko naman sa cellphone, no? Malapit ko sa cellphone, eh. Ayan. Ano ba ilaw dyan? Parang namin bibili niya ng ilaw. Alarm, smoke alarm. Tumunog yung smoke alarm. Yahoo! Ano sinasabi ko sa'yo?
A door suddenly swings open on its own and Sandra is spooked. But she gathers her courage and rushes out to see what's going on. A glass of water sitting on top of the fireplace shifts and slowly moves as if it's being pushed by some invisible force.
Oh,
But
tama
things
ako, bro.
get even crazier as a
Bro.
smoke detector sitting on top.
Bro! Ang inisip ko kung umusog yung puti sa likod. Ano yung stationary yung kasi plug yun eh. So, kaya siya mo umaandar kasi yung baso pala yung umaandar. Oh, totoo nga,
The
tama
fireplace
ako.
shifts and slowly moves as if it's being pushed by some invisible force. But things get even crazier as a smoke detector suddenly starts to beep before crashing violently to the floor.
Tita ba sa camera
With that,
yan?
Sandra has had enough and just gets up
Tita ba sa camera yan? Parang akong may ano. Parang akong manok.
out of there. But there's
Chicken na
also
manok.
something else that is very creepy in this video.
Holy
Something
bro.
that only a few viewers even notice.
Ayun o.
So again, I ask, did you see it?
Sabi ko sa iyo,
Right before the
picture.
door moves, a face in the picture
picture.
right beside Sandra seems to slowly darken. And then the creepy little shadow fades away just as the door swings open. Sandra says that she's experienced several unexplained paranormal events in this home, but this was the first time that she finally captured it on camera.
Nagawa
We
sa
need
buhay
scary
ko.
videos. So if you see a scary video that you think would be great on the top 5, email us at nukestop5@gmail.com. Flickr. Reddit user Sibseb says that his mother is taking care of a young foster child at her home in England. One night, a TV is playing a cartoon in the child's bedroom, but the flickering light from the screen reveals something that the Reddit user and his mom simply can't explain. Something that is downright creepy.
Naku po. Stop toy. Bro, stop toy. Ay! Ay, kasti. Nawala, bro. Nawala, bro. Yay!
Someone seems to be seated in the chair. A small pale face illuminates in the flashing light from the TV screen. Then the face just disappears.
Wala siya doon,
Reddit user
bro.
Saib Seb wonders if his mother's security camera
Bro, akala ko stop to yun. So, walang nakaupo doon. Pucha. Nilalimutan ako, may video akong napanood dati na ano eh. Ano siya eh, na sa bata siya na deformed. Na nagmumulto. Nakalimutan ko pangalan eh. Ghost of, ano, something eh.
accidentally captured a paranormal presence. But what do you think this is?
Sheesh.
The Fond du Lac UFO. Around 2 a.m., Clarissa Bonalay and her family friends are driving home to Fond du Lac, Saskatchewan.
Ginakatakot to. UFO eh. UFO. Basic. Ay, nakapag-break time din.
Suddenly, Clarissa spots something very odd in the night sky.
Ito kaya ko pa to.
It looks like a UFO, right? That's a UFO.
Ito ba? Ito yung puti.
Just stay right there. Look, it's just above there.
Are you
May
recording
reflection
it?
yan.
Yeah,
My gosh.
that's a UFO. You can just see it.
Huli.
Well, hi, you know.
O ano?
Bro, you can just see.
Bro. UFO yun,
You
bro.
can just see it.
Yeah. Ayun oh. Madami siyang ilaw, bro. Oh.
Well, hi, you know.
Gitaan yun?
Bro, you can.
Or pwedeng ano rin to, pwedeng mga masyadong malaki to kung drone to eh. Holy shit. Pero grabe, working UFO to.
See, it's like a round.
Just keep recording it.
It's only on YouTube. It won't expire.
Everyone is shocked as they witness a strange circular object with flashing lights soaring through the sky. Clarissa's mother posted the video to Facebook, and friends and local residents immediately began to respond that they too have seen the strange UFO.
Ba't lagi sa bansa na ano, wala sa Pinas ng mga ganyang ano, no? Naliliitan yung UFO sa Pinas eh, no? Ayaw dito mag-stroll.
Eyewitness reports in the thread go all the way back to January 1990. So just
Uy,
what
kapanganakan ko yun ah. Year of birth.
could this mysterious flying object be? Let me know what you think down in the comments. Follower Nick Perry says that late one night he was driving down the allegedly haunted Dyers Lane Road in Roseville, California. He says that he saw an ominous dark shadow figure appear in the middle of the road. Nick believes that this dark entity followed him home and says that he now experiences terrifying paranormal activity. So, back in 2022, I shared Nick's story on Nuke's Top 5, along with some of the scary footage that he had captured. Now, in the last 2 years, since those videos were recorded, Nick Perry has moved to a new house in a new city. But he believes that
Ayaw ng mga ganun eh, no? Yung mabagal tapos nang bibilis, kahit katok pa yan, or anything na kalabog na mabagal tapos bibilis. Kasi parang feeling ko na parang may papalapit na sobrang ano, yun naman, lalo na yung mga naglalak
the dark entity has followed him.
Just got home,
Sabi kasi,
and as I was walking in, I heard some banging noises in here. So that's why I'm setting up the camera right now to find out, you know, what it is. Max, shut up!
oh shish,
Ain't nobody here.
shish. Gusto yung anilyo. Ano? Hulin mo. Really, bro. Bro.
It was up against the fucking wall.
Ito mukha talaga siya. Ito, design mismo nung lapag yun, no?
Nick decides to leave several cameras recording when he's away from home. When he reviews his footage, he is shocked.
Bro, gusto kumain, gutom. Lahat ng anak to. Oo. Oo. Lahat ng damit. Lalayas na to. Lalayas na yan. Oh. Saan pupunta yan?
Nick says that he's reached out to several churches and religious authorities, but no one has helped him. As of today, Nick says that he continues to experience paranormal events in and around his home. He shares his dark experiences over on his YouTube channel, Mimic. Leandro from Buenos Aires, Argentina says that he began to experience strange
Sabi ko sa inyo guys kung bakit si Nuke Top 5 yung isa sa pinakamalupit na mag-compile ng mga video Kung merong may kiliti ng pag sa komedyante, shit yung kiliti nito yung pananakot
unexplained events only weeks after moving into his new home. He says that he would often discover that many of his belongings had been inexplicably moved into the house's bathroom. Leandro installed a security camera to see what's been going on. But late one night, he captures something more than he bargained for.
Ay, sabaw ka nagbubukas ng ganon. Bro, di ka pa mo kumatok.
¡Sos hijo de puta!
Llantos que llantos. Yee! Wala boy, na micro ka.
Leandro is completely unnerved by the strange paranormal experience. He decides to check into the history of his new home for answers. He is horrified when he discovers that in the 1950s, a family of 4 passed away in a tragic fire on the very same land where his house now sits. Another night, and Leandro has his friend Daniel over. And once again, shit goes sideways.
Sa labas bro. Sa labas bro. Sa labas bro. Hey bro. Sheesh. Sheesh. Ang sinasabi ko sa inyo Tragis talaga Pwedeng tropa yan. Diba? Tropa yan. Pero bro, ang creepy ng video bro. Come on. Nagawa ko sa buhay ko. Protect me. Protect me. Ay, ako po. Sheesh. Sheesh. Tropa nyo nasa labas. Nanakot. Ay.
A mysterious white figure can be seen passing by the window just outside Leandro's home. Then the items sitting on the nightstand get launched into the air by an invisible force. And Leandro and his friend Daniel jump up in shock. And now, this is when things get really strange. Because Leandro claims that after this incident, the spirit that haunts his house actually began to imitate or mimic the sound of his friend Daniel's voice.
Son las 3 de la mañana de nuevo. Y esto es lo que yo, con lo que yo convivo desde hace meses. Con esto yo convivo hace meses. Siempre que grabo. Vos no sos Daniel. Vos no sos Daniel, esa no es tu voz. Vos no sos Daniel, esa no es tu voz. Daniel se fue hace meses del país. Vos no sos Daniel. Si querés lastimarme, salí y lastimame ahora. Ya. Déjame de joder. Déjame de joder. Si no puedo vivir. Ya no puedo vivir así. Yo no puedo. Yo no tengo más miedo. Tengo más miedo. Si no puedo seguir. Si no puedo seguir.
Leandro says that he's had more than enough of the strange supernatural activity in his new home. But
Oh guys, hindi ko kaya isuot ng ganyan eh. Ganyan ng half lang. Kasi di ko kaya. Hindi ko kaya, sobrang immersed na ako. Mukha na ako si Rizal. Gumaganyan na yung buhok ko, si Rizal na. Holy shit! Sheesh!
is it real? Or is it all just an elaborate hoax?
Tropa yan, tropa.
You decide.
Ang galing lang talaga nilang gumawa ng ano. Yung mga talented talaga sa ganyan eh, no? Dapat yan yung mga kinukuha nila sa ano, yung shake, rattle, and roll.
You decide. Footprints.
Dalawa na lang. Huwag sana ako managinip mamaya. Hindi naman siguro managinip, no? Kasi nga, matapang tayo, guys. Lahat, inuupakan natin.
A woman named Kat lives in a remote area near the woods in Pennsylvania. One freezing cold morning around 4 a.m., Kat wakes up to find a light dusting of snow covering the ground outside. But then she notices something just outside her back door. Something truly disturbing.
Hoy! Hoy! Palupit na ng palupit to, guys. Kaya nyo pa? Ha? Ano, kaya nyo pa? Kutya. Holy shit, bro.
Good morning, guys. It is literally 5 a.m. and I opened the back door to put some dry food out for the stray kitties. And there are people feet printed all over my desk in the snow. Do you see this? They start over there. And it like barefoot walks up to the table. There's nothing coming up to the... Maybe there is something coming up to the door. What? And I don't see any in the yard. What is this? I see them kind of coming out of the flower bed. They stop there. I thought maybe they would have walked off through that flower bed, but I don't see anything there. It's like one straight line from out in the yard up to the door, turned
Baka naka-drugs lang yan. Nung pa-prank. Naka-drugs, nakashabu yan. Dumalaw dyan, dumaan.
around towards the table.
Bister niya yan. Tropa niya.
And then just stopped moving. That one has like 6 toes. That's 6 toes. So was that one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Nagpalit lang bigla ng ano yan, ng footstep kasi tinan mo, yung mga perfect naman na paa eh.
It is 16 degrees out. I have not gone outside yet.
Mas kaya ko yung mga ganito kaysa multo. Okay? Kasi investigador tayo eh. Matapang tayo pag mga ganito.
My cat came and woke me up hysterical. Probably because there was some barefoot person on the deck. I'm just more concerned about like a mental health crisis because there's no reason to be out there barefoot.
Yun lang, kung mag-isa siya dyan, yun ang nakakatakot dyan. Kasi kung may nagtitrip sa kanya, diba? Kung may nagtitrip sa kanya, babae pa man din siya. Parang mag-isa lang yata siya dyan sa lugar nila.
Now, for obvious reasons, Kat is a bit freaked out. But she's also worried that someone might be experiencing a mental health crisis and is wandering around in the freezing cold with no shoes. She calls the police, but she's reassured that no one has been reported missing or lost, and there have been no reports of trespassers or break-ins in the area. Kat is concerned, but she's done all she can, and she just lets it go. But almost 2 weeks later, the mysterious footprints are back.
Okay, morning footprint update.
Malis kayo dyan.
Let me show you. This is the first time we've had
Lipat bahay na,
snow
bro.
since the initial footprint sighting. Do you see that? They're barefoot again. They're in a different spot than... Look at my shadow. So those prints are in a different spot than when we had prints before. Let's go downstairs. It is 7 o'clock. I've been up since 4:30.
Either magpasama ka or umalis ka na dyan. Magpasama ka man lang ng mag-anak mo, Diyos mo Marimar. Magjowa ka na kasi.
I didn't look outside. I just came up here and then I opened the window to see if any of the stray cats were coming up to the door yet because I didn't feed them yet.
Ba naman ito magbukas, oh? Kasi parang nagsayaw dun eh, no? Ano yung tumungtong dun tapos nagsayaw-sayaw dun yung ano? Yung sino mang nandyan, crackhead. Siya! Yun!
Stay.
Ano? Labig lang ito eh. Bubuntong hiningi eh.
Stay right along the side so I don't interfere.
Jeez.
Those are definitely very bare
Bravo.
human feet, but there are not 6 toes on these that I can tell. I don't know. No, those are very clear toes right there. So the house next door has nobody living in it, so I'm not sure why the prints would be coming from that deck.
Did you see it?
Happy New Year.
Kat purchased 2 security cameras to monitor the outside of her home, but the mysterious barefoot stranger hasn't returned yet. So could this be
Madami sila eh. Madami magkakapit-bahay pala, no? Baka yan, kapit-bahay lang na yan. Ni Toyo.
something supernatural? Or is it something even scarier? A real person creeping around Kat's house in the middle of the night.
Yes, yun talaga sa akin.
Heads up. Popular Chinese ghost hunter Xiao Long is back, this time investigating
Putragi, Shaolong na. Ito na. Sa dako na to, The Ring Beach. Ito
an abandoned
na, The Ring
school in
Beach.
China that is said to be extremely haunted.
The
As his
Grudge
live
Beach.
stream audience watches, Xiaolong begins to hear unexplained noises from somewhere in the building. He's a little on edge as he goes to check out the strange sounds. What happens next?
Mataping snakes, ito na next. Hoy. May na kayo sumabay. May na kayo sumabay. Bro. Wala akong
Is-
protection.
Just watch.
听见没？开回音。
Diba? Ay, gagi. Oh, tragis. Tayo. Tayo ka. Shit.
Xiaolong gets the fright of his life because
Alam mo,
of
Shaolong.
a plastic statue head.
Ay,
But luckily, Xiaolong delivers a good old-fashioned slap upside the head to put that statue back in line.
siya naglagay
But
niyan.
things are about to get a bit more serious and a bit more frightening. As Xiaolong explores deeper into the haunted school, this happens.
Sabi ko sa inyo, ano lang yun eh, intro voice lang yun eh. Yan. Ball rolls. Freaking. Ay, bola. May bola, may tao. Fish. Amo. Fucking bro. Sa bintana. Grabe na to.
我教你玩儿，操你妈！我教你玩儿。
Ersan. Ay, siya na.
我操！
Ano sinasabi ko sa'yo? Bola na yun eh. Anong pakilaman ng bola, guys?
A small ball inside a classroom rolls across the floor by itself.
May did
So
you see it to?
Xiaolong chucks it out a window.
Did you
But
see
then the
it?
lights hanging from the ceiling come crashing down, almost hitting Xiaolong. Now, luckily, the ghost hunter made it out safe, but he's not done just yet. Inside one of the school's many rooms, he finds a dirty old mirror. And this is when his exploration takes a terrifying turn.
Ay, nako po.
Terrifying turn.
Ba't di natatapos to? Oh my gosh, my gosh. Uy, wala pa, asa na? Asa na? Hindi ko napansin. Uy, ano yun? Ano yun? Pinapay sa likod niya? Hindi. Gusto. Tinura mo pa nanay. Sige. Loko ka. Holy shit. Meron na yun. Yay! Tapa kasi ng mga ito. Oh. Hintay yung palumitaw eh. Mokong. Pati daw sinipa niya. Gast. Ano pag check mo talaga, oh. Sa Asian talaga eh, no? Ano, pag comedy, Asian eh. Naman, kung ako dyan, baka ganun din gawin ko eh, no? Kaso syempre, bago ko gawin yan, tumatakbo na ako palabas. No? Doon pa lang ako sa entrance nung ano, nakita ko pa lang yung building na yun, wala na, liliko na yung sasakyan. Chow siya ma. Chow siya ma. Yun talaga yun. Baka yung ano lang yan ang pinakasalamin, yung pinaka ano salamin, oh. Di ba? Kasi meron siyang ano eh. Takinis. Sa labas, bro. Ba, hindi ko na alam kung ano yung totoo at hindi sa tanong. Bakit talagang may totoo?
In the mirror's reflection, someone can be seen standing behind Xiaolong. But when he swings around in terror, there's no one there. After an attempt at kicking and flailing at the invisible entity, Xiaolong finds that the reflection of the figure has disappeared. But now he spots a shadowy face peeking in from a window, and the heavy closet comes crashing down right in front of him. The activity is becoming a little too intense. So Xiaolong...
Ano kaya yung ghost, yung multo, naghahanap din ng tao, no? Parang kung may ghost hunter, merong living hunter, ano? Naghahanap lang din siya ng buhay na tao, nakakita siya. Nakita niya siya ulong.
Long decides to leave and ends his live stream. You can see even more terrifying moments from this ghost hunt over on the YouTube channel, Outdoor Xiaolong.
Pag na okay na ako okay na ako kay Nooks. Ayun guys, subscribe kayo guys kay Nooks Top 5. The best talaga. Wala. Hands down. Yung siguro meron dalawa na nakita ko na Pero never ko tinutukan kasi sabi ko sa inyo, pinapakinggan ko lang usually tapos pag kami nangyari ano. Pero lahat guys, ang creepy talaga pag talagang mag-isa ka. Pag mag-isa ka tapos maliwanag pa nga eh. Tinakpan ko lang yung mga bintana pero wala talaga. Okay na ako. Tama na. Whew. So yun guys, kung di pa ka subscribe, please do subscribe, like the video. At maraming tulong to sa akin guys. Maraming salamat ako sa lahat ng mga naniniwala at sumusuporta sa atin guys. So yan, comment down below guys kung tingin nyo gumawa pa tayo ng mga reaction videos. Na-enjoy ko naman siya at the same time kasi alam ko, feeling ko mayroon akong nakakasama naman nanonood dyan at saka hindi nanonood ng gabi. Kung gabi ko gagawin to, baka tagal na ako nag-quit, no? Tagal na ako nag-quit, hindi ko gagawin talaga to guys, no? So yun, until next time, take care, babush.